Hey there guys, this is Dr. Joan. I'm bringing you a trade secret to bust up the stress that you experience in your everyday life. Trade secret because those of us who do forgiveness have a particular method for actually helping our clients to get grounded, get rooted in what we call their truth, the thing that they stand in, their awareness of themselves. It opens them up to actually begin the counseling session. But one of the things that we teach our clients to do is to use this particular method to de-stress whenever those moments pop up in life. We begin this activity by finding the clavicle bone. The clavicle bone runs at the base of the neck, and if you follow it, in the middle of it, there's this bit of a dip. So you put your middle finger and your index finger on the point and then go down on a 45-degree angle until you feel a mushy spot. Above that mushy spot, you'll feel a bone, and below that mushy spot, you'll also feel a bone. Those are your ribs. But you're gonna lay your hand flat on that spot and begin to massage. So, nice circular motion going, and then you're gonna take 3 nice deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Now, what I want you to do is actually run your index and middle finger along the back of your ear, close to your jawline, till you find the carotid artery. And you'll feel the pulse. Everybody knows where that one is. Find that. Now, the next part of this exercise is to actually locate your belly button, and you will notice that you have a pulse in the belly button. So put, again, your middle finger and your index finger right over top of your belly button and feel the pulse. Here's the important thing that you have to do here. You have to now match the pulse. Now, this will automatically happen with the 3 breaths, but you can also be very conscious of wanting to do that. So, take 3 nice deep breaths just like before and match the pulse. And after 3 deep breaths, I'm ready to relax. I feel like my knees must bend. I must take a bit of a dip. And then I go to the other side. Again, middle finger, index finger on the carotid artery, middle finger, index finger on the belly button, and 3 nice deep breaths and match the pulse. All right, so what you will notice is you have this energy that comes back in. You feel grounded, you feel connected, you feel at peace. Now, the reason why we need this for a counseling session is because when we're rooted, grounded in who we are, when we're at peace, is the time when we can be most truthful with ourselves. And standing in our truth is when we're then able to revisit all the moments of our lives that are happy moments and painful moments, and be able to speak to why they were loving moments or unloving moments, as well as the fears that they created in our lives. So this is a stress buster because it connects us to our truth and to who we are. Have a great day, guys.